When capturing images and videos with your ViewTech VJ4 video borescope, changing the target distance optimizes by automatically adjusting the camera's color and exposure settings. This brief video details 3 different modes of target distance ranges. First, a quick tip. When using a dual camera video borescope, select the hide camera icon to only display the primary camera view. While in live image mode, use the right mini joystick to navigate to target distance mode, and then toggle right or left to choose between the 3 different modes. Middle range mode is suitable for most inspections. Near range mode is best for very close distance inspections, and far range mode is best for long distance inspections. Call to speak with one of our knowledgeable video borescope experts, and we will help find the best borescope for your inspection needs. You will quickly realize why ViewTech Borescopes is the #1 seller of video borescopes in North America.